Hello, I am Rajan Nair, working in logistics profession for the last 25 years. I am one of the faculty of Indian Institute of Export based in Vadodara, and I am associated with them from many years. This institute is providing postgraduate diploma in export and import management since many years, and they have completed 162 batches by this span of time. I seen this institute is giving the best diploma in export and import to the professional working peoples and students on the subject on international trade, international marketing, Incoterms, export and import procedures, shipping and logistics, and post-export procedures, and many related subject. We are conducting classroom study with detailed presentation and study materials. The faculties are also well experienced from the same profession, which is giving more benefit to the students. I take around shipping and logistics part of the subject in this diploma. Now the country is challenging with COVID. The trend is shifting to digital platform. So Indian Institute of Export also now going for virtual classroom for the students. So I request all of you to please grab this opportunity and be part of this institute for your diploma in export and import and logistics. Thank you and stay safe.